I'm just going to do a quick update on the farm here. Here's the barn where I milk the cow, our hay storage, all the stuff I've found here on the property. Back this way is where the animals are at. Got the water for the cow. And if we walk out this way, the ducks. We got the cow sitting over here. Hey girl. And we got the garden area. Back this way we planted about 15 fruit trees, cherry, pear, apple, apricot, plum, that kind of stuff. And this is where I planted all the corn last year, as well as all this rest of this area I had planted. Back here in the very back, if I come all the way back here, I did a couple compost piles last year with all the chicken manure and cow manure, and mixed in some wood chips and other stuff like that. So in here it should be digging it a little bit there. It's pretty decent. It didn't fully break down because I didn't rotate it as much as I should have. We have an old chicken coop I just use for storage now because it was a bad setup. But here's the back of the barn. Where I take where the cow can get out of the snow and stuff. Back over there. And then go back this way. And there's Cannon with no shoes on. Okay, let's go out of the gate real quick, okay?
Yeah, I want to play with the chickens to now.
How about you play with the ones that are outside of the fence? Like that white one right there.
No, I don't want to.
You don't want to?
No,
These are two Granny Smith apple trees. I just pruned them the other day. My first time pruning an apple tree, and I don't know if I did the greatest job, but I'm learning. This tree has a whole bunch of old growth that's pretty high up. I probably should have cut them down lower, but for this year, that's how it's going to be, and we'll see how it does. Back this way, there's my rototiller that I've used, and it's not the biggest thing, but it gets the job done after a while. Last year, I had planted about 300 onions right here, and then I had a whole bunch of rows of tomatoes over there. Back this way I had potatoes, carrots, lettuce, beets, planted a couple grapevines, a couple other things like that. Back further over in our yard over here we have 3 new apple trees. One's a multi-apple, and then there's 2 Pixie Crunch apples. We got a crab apple tree we don't do anything with. There's Cannon and all of his toys playing in the freshly tilled up garden. And back this way we have the chicken coop. So I'll open this up. Inside here I have all the chickens and where they lay their eggs. Getting about 30 eggs a day right now. Got all the roosts where they sleep on.
I see some eggs.
Yeah, we'll get them in a little bit, okay?
And I see some eggs.
Okay, come on out, please.
I saw some eggs.
The movie's over? Okay. Just a minute.
What are you watching?
Okay. I'm just making a video. Over here is just kind of storage for now. This is where I raised our meat birds last year, meat chickens. But right now it's just all storage. So anyway, that's the farm update for now. And I'll update you guys again a little bit later.